So what we're going to do is clean this dehumidifier. Let's get the cleaning. Filter doesn't look too bad, but I'll do a deep clean on this filter. We'll also vacuum the inside of it. Hasn't been done since I had it. And as we know, these things are very expensive. First thing is to turn it off. Always unplug your device before working on it. So I'm going to be using soap and water and a sprayer and a toothbrush to clean this device today. This is going to be a job, a big job. So I did take the toothbrush and scrub the screen, and I would say it looks pretty good. Okay, so I cleaned this as best as possible. Couldn't get inside because I'm not going to take it apart, but it is clean as can be. Okay, I'm not going to tamper with this too much, but I did get the back of it off after screwing about 6 to 8 screws, but I am going to vacuum it out really well. Okay, so I couldn't get this front piece off, and I know that conductor inside of there does have some dust on it, so I did the best I could with this rag and this hanger, just gently but brushing the rag up against it. And as you see, the rag has some dust and dirt that's come off of it. Inside the conductor, that's what I'm calling it anyhow. If you see, you can see that there's a lot of dust in there, although I've already cleaned it and gently wiped it down. So I'm gonna give it one more try to see if I can get more of this dust off of there, because that's what we want to remove. There we go. We want to remove that dust. And like I said, I can't get the front of it off so I can vacuum it, so we'll try to do what we can do. So as you can see, it's not perfect, but I think it is a little improvement. And I don't have the manual in front of me, so I'm just going to put it back together, and it's a lot cleaner than it was, and I'll just have to live with that for a while. I'll go ahead and replace the filter and put the little tank back in there, and then we'll turn it on to make sure it's running. All right, it's running, and we're going to go ahead and press to reset the filter, and it looks pretty good.